Hackathons, DJ nights, startup pitches, super mentor sessions, under 25 summits. You've seen all the big moments at SST.
But what you haven't seen is the engine behind it all. The people, those who plan, build, organize, code, and promote.
The students who run clubs like mini startups. This isn't your average join and vibe club culture.
Hi, I'm Hardik.
And I'm Srinidhi. We are the student presidents. And in this video, we'll be taking you inside the heartbeat of SST. Into the world of student-led innovation, passion, and purpose. The student clubs that make this place what it is.
This is Scalar School of Technology, and these are the clubs that keep it moving.
Some clubs are built with plans, but this one was built out of anticipation. Everyone at SST was curious and kept asking, when is the AML club starting?
We wanted to build real-world algorithms and solutions which actually create an impact in the world.
That's how Reinforce was born, the club where students don't just learn machine learning modules, but they learned the underlying mathematics behind it and the nuances, and most importantly, they build along. So from day one, it was not just the theory, but the fundamentals and the execution.
We managed to create a gesture algorithm system for students which would help them to play games, or the IntelliVerse hackathon, which made students tackle real-world problems like autonomous driving data set, curated by Gahan AI's engineers.
From bi-weekly workshops to guest talks to research paper deep dive-ins, Reinforce isn't just a club. It's a lab for the most curious minds on the campus.
This was the very first time where students actually saw how a real-world messy data set looks and actually were able to tackle it pretty properly.
Reinforce, where curiosity becomes code, and every model takes you one step closer to the future.
There's a side of tech schools that most people do not talk about. The side that sings, dances, performs, and brings the whole campus together.
This is the Cultural Club at SST. It began with a mission to create space for celebration, creativity, and connection. Because while tech runs the campus, culture binds it.
We wanted a space where students can feel seen, expressive, and at home.
From Independence Day to Diwali, from jamming nights to inter-house dance-offs, this club turns ideas into moments that students never forget.
This is a cultural club, not just celebrating traditions, but creating new ones, one event at a time.
Meet LDC, the Leadership Development Club at SST. Formed under the mentorship of Manmeet sir, it's a club with a bold purpose to turn first-year students into real leaders from day one.
We aren't just planning events. We're hosting super mentor sessions, leading admissions webinars, and building entire student communities.
From live sessions to Telegram groups, from open days to DJ nights, this club shows up when the stakes are high.
The LDC meets almost every day. They put in 1 to 2 hours daily, building not just events, but institutional trust.
It's not just leadership on paper. It's showing up, speaking up, and solving real-world problems. This is LDC, Scalar Startup for Student Leadership. And the reason first-year students here don't wait to lead. They start now.
This is a sports club at Scalar School of Technology. It started with a simple idea to bring back the joy of playing. Not just for athletes, but for everyone who wanted to move, run, compete, or just let go. For every coder who needs a pitch, a court, or a crowd. Where play doesn't pause even when the screen does.
We weren't trying to build pro athletes. We were trying to build culture, where sports is not just an event but an habit. And that habit now looks like this.
We don't just plan matches, we create moments. The ones that get replayed over chai for weeks.
What if you are great at solving problems, but never built anything people can actually use? That's the gap OSS Club was born to fill, turning coders into creators.
This is OSS Club, where you just don't study computer science, you commit to it.
From build days to tech workshops to national level hackathons, OSS isn't about writing code. It's about building software with purpose.
Buildverse was the craziest we have ever seen in the campus. 1 lakh plus of prize pools, 350 plus offline participants, and 36 hours of intense energy.
This is OSS, where you don't just study computer science, you commit to it. At SST, students are building apps, tools, startups. But what happens when they need to tell the world about it? This is where the Orator Society comes in.
We notice students struggling to express themselves in front of a camera, on stage, and in interviews. Actually, even in day-to-day conversations. And that's where this club was born, to help students find their voice.
Born from the chaos of a former club, the Orator Society found clarity in purpose to turn great thinkers into great speakers.
2 to 3 events every month. Debates, games, creativity, all with one goal in mind, to make students confident with every word they say.
This is the Orator Society. Not just improving language, but unlocking expression.
Some people solve problems. Others compete to do it faster, cleaner, and better. This is the CP Club, the competitive programming hub of Scalar School of Technology. It started with a few coders who didn't just want to learn DSA, they wanted to master it together.
We saw a gap. So many people loved CP, but there was no structure, no routine, no real challenge. So we built that space ourselves.
Algo Strike was our favorite. One track for the beginners and one for the pros. We packed a real ICPC style showdown into one afternoon. This is CP Club, where the timers is always ticking.
The leaderboard never sleeps, and every bug is just one more puzzle to solve.
Everyone here knows how to build, but this club, it's for the ones who want to launch.
This is ECEL, where startups don't just get imagined, they get built. ECEL is building a startup culture from scratch. One fireside chat, sales quiz, and a pitch battle at a time.
The club actually shut down once, but then came a student who refused to let the entrepreneurial spark die.
When I joined SST, everyone wanted to become a developer, but I wanted a startup. So I revived the ECEL to create the place I wish existed.
Today, ECEL is building a startup culture from scratch.
My dream that one day when people say SST, they don't just think about developers, they think about founders.
You've seen the DJ nights, super mentor sessions, and hackathons, but who's behind the camera, making all of that look cinematic? This is the 404 Studios, Scalar School of Technology's media club. Started by just one student with a camera, and now it's a full-blown creative agency on campus.
Studio Zero isn't just a club, it's where you learn how to pitch, plan, film, and post, just like a real agency.
We didn't just wanted to shoot events, we wanted to build creators, storytellers, people who could turn a DJ night into a film, a reel into a career.
They cover everything: under 25, DJ night, super mentor, Instagram page at Life at SST is built and run by them. If SST is a stage, they're the ones making it look like a movie. Most students here build with code, but this club, they build things that fly. Welcome to the Drone Club at Scalar School of Technology, a space born out of pure curiosity to explore aerial robots and the hardware side of tech.
It all started simple. Just us, a drone, and a lot of questions. And then one day, we make it take off on its own and land it safely. That was the first autonomous flight of our drone.
From autonomous takeoffs to prepping a full-fledged robotics workshop, Drone Club is just getting started.
We have had amazing support from Abhimanyu sir in the drone startup called Vecros. Whenever the hardware gets intense, I just call my friends and we build it together. This is Drone Club, where students don't just write code, they make it fly.
At most colleges, clubs are a checkbox, just something to put into your resume. At SST, clubs are the curriculum's extension, the action to all that theory. Here, students don't just participate, they build the very system that powers events, products, startups, and culture.